Hi everyone. Well, we're just kind of chilling out here on a Sunday morning. I thought I would give you a little bit of a peek into what I'm growing right now. So no matter if you're in the north, you're starting to get cold weather and can't grow outside, or if you live in a southern climate and you can grow all winter long, there's definitely plenty you can grow. Now here indoors, I just started these microgreens about 5 days ago. Look at the growth on these. I can actually harvest them. I think we're gonna have some for breakfast today on our scrambled eggs. So if you're in a northern climate where it's getting cold, all you need to do is grab yourself some seeds, some soil, a small container, seed really heavily, and you're going to be harvesting these in about a week. They're absolutely delicious, power-packed full of nutrition and a flavor. So really fun on those. We've got some radishes, mustard greens, and some red Russian kale for our microgreens. Now here on my deck rail, I'm actually hardening off all my cold weather seedlings. So you southern gardeners, make sure you're getting those cold weather seedlings going either directly right outside in the garden, or you can start them from seed like I've done here. You probably saw our video the other day where we talked about planting winter greens. So these were planted outside. We've got plenty more to plant here. All cool weather veggies love 75 degrees or under. Southern gardeners with mild winters definitely grow these all winter long. These are all from my fall garden seed collection. So here we have things like collards, kohlrabi, beets. We've got a lot of cool weather herbs, cilantro, parsley, fennel, tons and tons of greens still left to plant out. These will all be planted out probably within the next couple of weeks. Some parsley, cilantro, dill, even started a whole new round of basil, tons that you can grow right now. So while these are hardening off outside, we got the microgreens growing indoors, and I just like to pop them outside on a day like today. It's nice and cool and cloudy. It's really pleasant out here, and just give them a little bit of water and just give them a little bit of fresh air. So I'm just gonna pop in some water in the bottom of the tray. And these are growing here in my CaliKim 1 gallon Smart Pots. And right now you can grab the microgreen seed collection or the fall garden seed collection for 20% off over at CaliKimGardenandComb.com with the code GROWFOOD. And the cool thing is right now, I'm giving away with every purchase one of the 1 gallon Smart Pots. So that way you can get your microgreens planted or get your indoor garden started too. That's one thing that I'm also working on, is getting things going that I can grow indoors. Here's a nice little pot of lettuce, so that's fun for you northern gardeners. And also over here, the Tiny Tim tomato is really easy to start from seed in the 1 gallons. You can transfer it over to a 5 gallon CaliKim, grow that inside in the wintertime so that you have tomatoes all winter long. Another really easy thing to grow indoors in the winter if it's too cold are herbs. It's a nice little pot of herbs. I started from a cutting. It's growing really nicely. And these will go indoors under grow lights, but they're getting some nice fresh air today. So a quick little video for Sunday morning. Pop in the comments below what you're growing right now, whether it's outdoors, in southern climates, microgreens in your indoor garden, in your northern climates. I'll look forward to reading your comments. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great Sunday. Bye-bye.